Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. So, as this is the last class before your PT1 exam, so the syllabus for your PT1 exam will be chapter 1 and chapter 2, as I have already informed you earlier, and we have been doing the revisions from the last 2 weeks. So today we will just go through the key points once and the glossary sections. Okay, though we have already done the glossary sections, but today again we will go through it once, and then we will have some questions which you can practice during your vacation as a form of revision. Okay, so let's start. I will start with chapter 1, glossary section. So these are the important words given with the meanings. So first word is automatic, as we have already learned this word, that is work done by an operator is your automatic. Second is electricity. Electricity means either electric power, like the machines that are run on electricity, electric power. And the third one is manual. Yes, we have seen manual means that working by our hand, and we have seen the different examples of this. Okay, so these are the three important words of this chapter. So you have to read and learn also the important words, that is a glossary section for your PT1 exam. Okay, the 2 chapters glossary section, you have to go through the words along with the meanings. You have to learn this for your PT1 exam. So for the first chapter we were having these 3 words. Then we will move to some of the key points of this chapter, as I have already discussed these key points many a times. Just once I will go through it. So we have seen here about machines, your first chapter, that the machines have been made by us, and we use different types of machines in our daily life because it saves time and energy. So these are some machines from your daily life, like fridge, TV, washing machine, and mixer grinder. And with these different machines, they are having the different uses. Yes or no? Okay. We have also seen that the nail cutter, scissors, seesaw, zip, these are also the machines. Yes. Okay, the next point was that why we use machines, because it works very fast. These are the special features. Yes, it works very fast, and it makes our work easier. Yes, we can do the work in a very short span of time with the help of the machines. And we have also seen the machines are of 2 types, automatic and manual, as we have already seen these 2 words in the glossary section, that manual means run by man, and we are having the different examples like sewing machine, bicycle, rickshaw, and hammer. And automatic machines means the machines that run with the help of we can say that run with the help of some operator. Yes, like your microwave oven, AC, ceiling fan, and toaster. So these are some key points of your first chapter. Clear? Now we will move to the second chapter. The first we will read the glossary section, the 2 words, that is your first one is your data. The data means is your information. Yes, we use this word data in computer, isn't it? We have used this word data in computer. So data means information. Okay, any type of information. And the next is electronic, work done by electric power. This word we have already seen in the last chapter. Yes, your chapter 1. So again you have this word, it is electronic, that means the electric power. So children, please do read and learn these words for your PT1 exam. Clear? Okay, now we will move to the key points of some of the key points of your second chapter. So we have seen about your second chapter, that is your second chapter is all about computer. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which stores a large number of data. We have seen the glossary section, the data means information. Yes, so we can store large number of informations from in a computer. Yes. Okay, we have also seen the uses of computer. The computers can be used for typing, coloring and drawing and coloring pictures, doing calculations, sending emails, playing games, listening to music, chatting with your families and friends. Yes, so these are the uses of computer. along with this, we have also learned why we call computer as a smart machine. Yes, as your second chapter is about the smart as computer as a smart magic machine. So we have seen that these are the 5 features which makes your computer a smart magic machine, because it is very fast, it makes our work easier, it never gets tired, it never makes mistakes, and it can do a lot. I can remember a lot of things. Yes, along with this, we have also seen that computers can be used in many places like your libraries, schools and colleges, railways and airports, homes, banks, hospitals, offices. Yes, so there are multiple places where your computers can be used. So understood, children? Those are the key points of your first chapter and second chapter, along with the glossary section. So you have to learn the glossary sections as well. You have to learn the words of the glossary sections as well. Okay, so your along with that, we have also seen that a computer has 4 different parts. That is your TV screen, like called the monitor, then your keyboard where we type, the mouse, and a box called the CPU. Yes, so we have seen those things about computer. Now what you will do, children? Today's work, you see, write down the glossary words with their meanings in your copy. Okay, what you have to note down the glossary words from your computer book. We have seen the glossary words, 5 glossary words. Yes or no? Those 5 glossary words, please you write down in your copy along with the meaning, and you please learn those words, okay, for your PT1 exam. Yes, so today's work is write down the glossary words with their meanings in your copy, and I will also give you some questions like we did in the last weeks, that you have to write these questions as your revision work. So do write those answers in your copy as your revision work. Okay, so prepare well for your lesson, and all the best for your PT1 exam. So take care and all the best.